Hello friends, welcome to our website DigiWeb Engineer. In this video, we will going to learn Google Ad Search Certificate and Instructor Complete Training Program. This is a course overview in which we are going to learn how to run Google Search Network search ads and how to create a search campaign. We will do keyword research by using so many tools like Google Keyword Planner, which is available in their dashboard only. We will going to create responsive search ad bidding. We will learn bidding strategy, conversion tracking, campaign optimization, reporting, certification preparation. After that, when you complete this course, you can give the exam for Google Ad search certification. If you get 80% marks, then you will get the certificates. Okay, so this was the course overview in which we will learn how many types of keywords we use, how to run search campaign, which bidding strategy you have to use, which type of conversion we you have to use, right? So this is a Google ad account structure in which we have to create Google ad account, then we will create a campaign. After that, we will create a ad groups. After that, we will like put keywords and ads. We will make a ad copy for after that. So these are the keyword match type like broad match, phrase match, exact match. So in the exact match you have to use square, in the phrase match you have to use semicolon, in broad match you can use as such as keywords, right? So these are the matching keywords we are going to learn in this video, in this website. So quality, we will focus on quality score and Google rating of your ad factor, expected CTR, ad relevancy, landing page experience. Higher quality score is equal to lower CPC, better ad position, right? So we have to focus on that, and you can get in touch with this number and you can go with our website. And thank you for this